What's up, everybody? It's Joe Bayer, and today we're diving into a topic that's not just good for the planet, but also great for your wallet: sustainable upgrades for your rental properties. Look, I get it. You're busy. You've got tenants to manage, properties to maintain, and probably a million other things on your plate. But trust me, taking the time to make a few key eco-friendly upgrades can actually save you money in the long run, increase the value of your properties, and attract a whole new generation of tenants who are looking for sustainable living options. We're talking energy-efficient appliances, LED lighting, even solar panels, stuff that might seem expensive up front but can lead to some serious savings and higher rental income down the line. And the best part, a lot of these upgrades are easier and more affordable than you might think. So whether you're a seasoned real estate investor or just starting out, this video is for you. We're breaking down the top sustainable upgrades that can help you maximize your profits, minimize your impact on the environment, and attract those eco-conscious tenants who are willing to pay a premium for green living. Let's get started. One of the easiest ways to make your rentals more sustainable is by upgrading to Energy Star rated appliances. We're talking refrigerators, dishwashers, washing machines, dryers, the works. Now you might be thinking, Graham, appliances are expensive. And yeah, upfront they can be, but remember, we're playing the long game here. Energy Star appliances are designed to use significantly less electricity and water than older models. That means lower utility bills for you or your tenants, and over time those savings really add up. Plus, a lot of states offer rebates and incentives for purchasing energy-efficient appliances, making that upfront cost even lower. It's a win-win for your wallet and the planet. Remember those old incandescent light bulbs? Yeah, those were energy hogs. Swapping them out for LED lights is one of the simplest and most effective upgrades you can make. LEDs use a fraction of the electricity of traditional bulbs, and they last way longer. That means fewer replacements, less maintenance, and lower electricity bills. Plus, they produce less heat, which can also take some strain off your air conditioning in those hotter months. It might seem like a small change, but trust me, switching to LEDs can make a big difference in your operating costs over time. All right, let's talk about the big league solar panels. I know it sounds like a huge investment, but hear me out. Depending on where your properties are located, solar panels can drastically reduce your electricity bills, sometimes even down to zero. In some cases, you can even sell excess energy back to the grid, creating an additional stream of passive income. And let's not forget the boosts it gives to your property value. Plus, with government incentives and tax credits available for solar installations, going solar is becoming more affordable than ever. It's an investment that literally pays for itself over time. Chapter 4, save water and money with low-flow fixtures. Every drop counts, right? Installing low-flow faucets, shower heads and toilets is a super easy way to conserve water and reduce those water bills. Don't worry, your tenants won't even notice a difference in water pressure. These fixtures are designed to use less water without sacrificing performance. And with water scarcity becoming a growing concern in many areas, having water-efficient properties can actually make them more desirable to tenants, especially those who are environmentally conscious. Chapter 5. Create a low-maintenance oasis with drought-resistant landscaping. Let's be real, landscaping can be a major expense, especially in drier climates. But you know what's even more expensive? Wasting water on thirsty lawns and plants. That's where drought-resistant landscaping comes in. By choosing native plants and drought-tolerant species, you can drastically reduce your water usage and landscaping costs. Plus, it requires less maintenance, which means less work for you or your property manager. It's all about working with nature, not against it, and creating a beautiful, sustainable outdoor space. Chapter 6. Capture free water with a rainwater harvesting system. Speaking of working with nature, have you ever considered collecting rainwater? Installing a rainwater harvesting system might sound fancy, but it's actually a pretty straightforward way to reduce your water bills and make your property more self-sufficient. You can use the collected rainwater for things like watering your drought-resistant landscaping, flushing toilets, or even laundry. It's a sustainable solution that can save you money and reduce your reliance on municipal water sources. Now that's what I call a smart investment. Chapter 7. Upgrade your comfort and efficiency with energy-efficient windows and insulation. All right, let's talk about keeping those energy bills down year-round. Upgrading to double-pane windows and adding insulation might seem like a bigger investment, but trust me, it's one of the most effective ways to improve your property's energy efficiency. Double-pane windows act as a barrier against heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer, while insulation helps maintain a consistent temperature inside. This means your tenants will be more comfortable, use less heating and cooling, and you'll save money on those energy bills. Chapter 8. Empower your tenants with smart thermostats. Finally, let's talk about putting the power of energy efficiency in your tenants' hands. Smart thermostats are a fantastic way to give them more control over their energy usage while saving you money. These nifty devices learn their heating and cooling preferences and adjust the temperature accordingly, even when they're not home. They can also be controlled remotely, so tenants can adjust the temperature from their phones. It's a win-win for everyone. More comfort, lower energy bills, and a high-tech upgrade that modern tenants will appreciate. Outrow sustainable upgrades. Good for the planet, great for your wallet. So, there you have it, folks. 8 sustainable upgrades that can help you boost your property value, attract quality tenants, and reduce your environmental impact. Remember, sustainability isn't just a trend, it's the future of real estate. By making these upgrades, you're not only doing your part for the planet, but you're also setting yourself up for long-term financial success in the ever-evolving world of real estate. As always, make sure to do your research, consult with professionals, and crunch the numbers to find the best solutions for your specific properties and investment goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on building wealth through real estate and living a more sustainable life.